Okay, there's the panel. New panel in place. And now we're going to test it. Here's the wire coming off of it. Okay. We'll split it here. Oh, by the way, if you have a panel in the sun like this, do not cut both wires like this at the same time, because when you do, it'll short. And you'll get a nice spark and probably fuck up your cutters. So if you have to cut something like this, cut one side at a time, okay? Like cut this side and then cut that side. Okay, remember how this rib part is our negative and the written part is positive. I have all my tools with me today. It's a miracle. Okay, I'm going to cut about that much, take about that much off. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the bus. This is my bus bar that I made. That's HPD2 or whatever it is, and I cast this. There's some videos on. You can make all sorts of cool shit out of this plastic. It's HD2 or HPE2. You can melt it in the oven and then form it. Anyway, you can look that up. Let's do this other one and see what the hell we get on our meter. Okay. Twist these. I'm going to have to make them a little bit longer. Oh, I cast this. This is solid copper with a little bit of silver in it. So this is my bus bar where I connect all my panels. But anyway, let's turn the meter on. Can we see the meter? Turn it on to 200 volts. Put this on voltage. And let's see what kind of volts we get. Now it's early in the morning, and not only that, but I'm actually shading part of the panel with the camera. Oh no, it's this thing. There we go. There's a little bit of shade on there. Alright, positive, positive, positive. This is positive. And this is negative. And what do we have? We have no voltage. That's just great. Ah, I had it on 20. Haha. Had me scared there for a while. Okay, 35.9, almost 36 volts. I had it on 20, and this was out of range, so it was going 0. I'm going, what the fuck? Alright, so let's check amperage. So 36 volts is pretty good. Early in the morning. Sun's not even hardly up. Now to check amperage, you gotta disconnect your panel. But you gotta put this sucker over here where it says 20 amps, okay? And then you got to move the dial to 20 amps DC. Don't forget this. There. And now you'll notice it might even spark a little bit when I hook it up. Alright. 1 amp. 1 amp early in the morning. It's not so good, but like I said, it's early in the morning, so this should go up to like 8. I'll check it again at noon. So anyway, that's it. We tested it and it seems to be halfway decent. Okay, bye.